Hello guys, what's up? It's Megan Jaco. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Araneta Coliseum para ma-witness ang Wish Music Awards, so 10th anniversary nila. So abangan natin guys kung ano yung mga updates and all that. Kaya naman, bibigyan ko kayo ng mga updates. Kaya punta na tayo doon at let's see. Guys, marami ng tao dito at orange carpet premiere. Orange carpet para doon pumunta yung mga artists. Ayan, so dinudumog na po. Thank you. Dito na tayo sa loob guys. Inaabangan lang natin yung arrival na Nastel, yung SB19 dito.
Boss, labat na din ako. Parang hindi kami nag-live. Tayong orange. Ano yung sabi?
silang tatlo. Parang ang dami nag-interview sa kanila. Parang 4 sets na to. Ayan. Nandun na sila. Pupunta na sila sa upuan nila sa loob.
As well. Kanina, how was your orange carpet experience?
My orange carpet experience is good kasi last year, kahit nanalo yung Sponge Cola, absent yung asawa ko. So thank you for letting us ride in your car.
No problem.
Para tayong nasa school.
No problem.
Carpool tayo to the Wish
Gusto ko na sabihin,
Music Awards.
loton, pero okay lang. Mabilis lang naman, wala naman masyado. Tapos, hindi ko makakalimutan experience kanina sa orange carpet na naglalakad ako. Si Arthur goes up to me, sabi ko, sir, nanonood ako ng Valorant streams mo. Parang, okay, kaya ako pala galing yung pagka-Valorant ko. Nanonood na si Arthur. Okay, sige. Hindi ako masyado magaling. So, kinabahan ako ng very. But congratulations on your win as well.
Congratulations. And I just want to do a quick shout out to Jorel Espina. This is a Banig-inspired dress.
Please, give some quarter terms, please.
Di na uso yung outfit check. Uso pa ba yun?
Well, I did once
Fit
sa
check.
TikTok. Thank you na TikTok. Buhay pa rin sa Pilipinas.
Fit
Pero,
check.
nag-fit check ako
Nag-fit check ka.
sa
Maganda.
TikTok. Okay naman. Okay naman. Wala naman nag-unfollow sa akin.
Oo, TD lang tayo dyan. Pero, nakakatuwa because not only is Philippine music rising, Philippine fashion, and of course a lot of us are supporting our favorite Filipino designer. So thank you once again, Jorel Espina.
And that's what also is showcased pag Wish Music Awards.
Yes.
Filipino designers, Filipino fashion,
Filipino artists.
Filipino artists.
Siyempre mga sining daw tayo, sabi ni Tayo Nala.
That's right.
And Uncle mo, JR.
Ano, Uncle? Oh no!
Uncle JR! Oh my God!
Anong part 2 ng singing?
Ha?
Kung singing na part 1, ano part 2 ng singing?
Ano kaya ang part 2, no?
Meron trilogy yun.
I think may continuation
Ano
pa
yan?
yan.
Di ba singing? Sinong, sinang, sino. Last na po yun.
Last na po yun, yes. Nag-joke lang po siya.
Tama na. For now, let's enjoy some more OPM goodness. Let's give it up for Rob Villar! Lead awardee is receiving a Platinum Award for her Wish Bus performance of Araw Gabi na merong trivia dyan si Karel mamaya. Platinum is given to videos with at least 75 million views. So,
Platinum! 75 million. And of course, that is by National Artist for Music, Mr. Ryan Cayabyab. May ninong, hi ninong, shout out. It's his love song for his beautiful wife. Grabe naman talaga yung mga love letter para sa mga asawa, di ba?
love letter para asawa.
Yeah, sulatan mo naman ako ng bagong song.
So, kikita ka pa ng royalty. Oh my goodness! Grabe, such a good deal. Pero also, si Regine Velasquez, of course, every time she just goes on any... There we go, stretching muna. Aneta, ready? One, two, three. Sige, mo lumabas na yung apoy eh.
Oo, okay. May trono siya,
Oo,
ganyan.
grabe talaga. Talagang memorable yun. Ako rin parang kanina, na-excite na ako kung ano yung magiging super special performance ulit mamaya. I'm sure it's gonna be mind-blowing. I'm sure it's gonna be historic again. Oh my goodness. Siyempre, alam ko kung sino. Siyempre,
pinag-ahandaan talaga nila yung mga performances. I saw that some people were even rehearsing yesterday. Pero well, last year, one of course, the highlights of the WMAs was that epic performance by Flo G. Andito ba kayo noon last year?
Grabe yun!
And that...
Guys, we just finished watching the 10th Wish Music Awards dito sa Araneta Coliseum. And grabe guys, can I just say na big winner si Stel. He just won several awards. Josh did win an award. And Artist of the Year is Pablo. Oh my goodness. Can you believe it? Grabe, kahit wala siya. Even Philip won an award. SB19 won an award. Grabe din talaga itong first ever experience ko. And then, parang na-highlight ba yung mga mahalima natin dahil they just won parang a lot of awards. And then, yung mga awards na yun, hindi basta-basta. So, congratulations, Stel. Grabe, Breakthrough Artist of the Year. Tapos, yung maraming votes, millions, siya rin yung nanalo doon. Oh my goodness. Talagang it's an experience na talagang ang sarap isipin na I witnessed everything and nandun sila guys. Ayun. So, ang sarap sa feeling na I witnessed it. I watched the live of 10th Music Awards and super saya. Super saya na experience and I just can't believe na ang dami na panalunan. Super worth it. Super worth it. Tapos mga 11:30 and yeah. From red carpet, orange carpet, and performances, and yung performance ni Justin with Diwata. Oh my God, sobrang class. Ibang klase, ibang bago naman yung putahe nun, collaboration. And yeah, I'm so happy to saw this event, gigantic event. And yun, mga nanalo halos si mga SB19. So yeah, thank you for watching! Thank you for watching guys. Please like and subscribe.